guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted you guys to get like a sneak peek or like a look into my dorm because I'm getting really extra and we are decorating it bikini bottom themed. So yeah, when I say we, I mean me and Mary. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what we have so far because it's a lot and everything is due tonight. However, I think we're doing pretty good on it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Forgive me for my room. And yeah, Barbie patties, or pretty patties is what we're doing. And then the little tickets, if you can see them, they just say like the address for Bikini Bottom and then the order, and then their names of the resident is gonna go there. And yeah, I got the address off of SpongeBobaphobia, or like the encyclopedia thingy. And then we have some jellyfish cut out. I'm thinking about hanging those from the ceiling if we can. And then we've got these coronavirus posters that we have to hang up on the boards. Got plankton. I think I'm gonna put this on some door. Then we've got Patrick, and I'm gonna use some erasers to erase that. And then we've got Doodle Bob, just vibing. I might put him on a yellow sheet. And then over here we've got more patties in the works. And yeah, so I will catch you guys back when we're hanging everything up, and then I think I'm gonna give you guys a tour maybe, but I'm not gonna promise you that because I said the same thing about my room and that's yet to be done. But yeah, so I will show you guys in a second. I did this one, you know the meme. I don't know what to put on it though. Then we've got a really bad drawing of SpongeBob's house. It just says wear your mask. This one. And this one. This one. And this one. And this one. Hey guys, so it's like really late at night and like 2 o'clock in the morning I think, and my stuff still isn't up, but I'm about to put everything on the board. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do like show you guys the clips of that. Oh, please help me with this. Okay guys, so don't mind my face. I know I'm like hella oily, but I have everything up so far that like we've made. However, I want to put more stuff up, like Mr. Krabs, maybe Pearl, Sandy, Squidward, you know, gotta have the whole crew. And I want to fill up the dorm. And then I kind of wanted to put some like jellyfish, just like hang them from the ceiling, because I really want students to like feel, I don't know, like at home, or like funsies, because like, you know, COVID and everything. And the freshmen. So yeah, hopefully I can do that some other day and like hang that up, because we just had to have door decorations up, not everything else. So yeah, that's all for tonight. Hopefully I can get more stuff up, but if not, then this video will just be posted. But I have to be up in 4 hours, y'all, and I'm struggling. This is my fault though. Like, I waited until the very last second to do this, so yeah. I will see you guys in the next video, which is welcome week with me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. I hate you. Literally. You can see that. I thought Tony was at the door again.
It was, and I was like, oh.
Okay, so here's all the jellyfish, guys. While our residents are asleep and she's in her robe being a thought. And yeah, and then if you go to the other side. Oh, I cut up this poster right there. I don't know if you can see. I cut it because it was crooked, but it's still crooked, but you know the vibes. You're gonna what? Ew. You literally almost fell. Okay, so here's the other jellyfishes. Jellyfish?
Jellyfish? Oh, one fell.
I'm done. Just forget it. And then they've been spinning around, so like if it's backwards, it'll just eventually turn, hopefully. But yeah, so this is our floor. We're gonna add more stuff, I think.
The big one.
It is time. Okay, that literally.
I'll grab my chair.
I feel like something keeps pulling it off. I'm gonna check the phone, but like, kind of scared. But yeah. And it extends to all the way down here. Here's the last one. Guys. Be cute. We support.